Welcome back to you or my channel. The 2026 Bajaj Recompact in its striking yellow and black variant, a modern twist on a classic design that's been a staple in urban transportation for decades. At first glance, the Recompact showcases a muscular Scudo design complemented by high-grade molded plastics. The dual headlamps not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also ensure better on-road visibility, making nighttime drives safer. Measuring 2,635 mm in length, 1,300 mm in width, and 1,710 mm in height, the Recompact is designed for easy maneuverability through congested city streets. Its compact footprint ensures that drivers can navigate tight spots with ease. Step inside, and you'll find an ergonomically designed cabin aimed at reducing driver fatigue. The new car-type seats, with heavy cushioning and Comfort support, provide maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers, ensuring a pleasant journey every time. The intuitive layout of the controls and the informative instrument cluster ensure that drivers have all the information they need at a glance, promoting a safer driving experience. Underneath its stylish exterior lies a reinforced high-strength steel alloy chassis. This enhancement not only boosts structural rigidity but also improves load-carrying capacity and extends the vehicle's lifespan, a testament to Bajaj's commitment to durability. Performance-wise, the 2026 Recompact is powered by a 200cc DTS-i engine, delivering 7.6 kilowatts of power and 17 Nm of torque. This ensures that the vehicle remains responsive, even when carrying passengers or cargo. Understanding the diverse needs of urban transport, Bajaj offers the Recompact in multiple fuel variants: petrol, CNG, and LPG. This flexibility allows drivers to choose the option that best suits their operational requirements and local fuel availability. One of the standout features of the Recompact is its exceptional maneuverability. Designed to tackle tight corners and dense traffic, drivers can navigate swiftly and with confidence, ensuring timely arrivals and efficient operations. Passenger comfort hasn't been overlooked. The spacious rear seating area ensures that up to 3 passengers can travel comfortably, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting. The Recompact's suspension system, featuring double-acting hydraulic shock absorbers both at the front and rear, ensures a smooth ride over varying road conditions, enhancing overall comfort for both driver and passengers. Fuel efficiency is a key consideration for any commercial vehicle. The Recompact's advanced engine technology ensures optimal fuel consumption, translating to cost savings for operators over time. Maintenance has been made straightforward, with easily accessible components and a design that emphasizes durability. This means less downtime and more time on the road, maximizing earnings. Since I started using the new Recompact, my daily operations have become smoother. The comfort, performance, and fuel efficiency have truly made a difference in my business. The yellow and black variant isn't just about functionality, it's about making a statement. This vibrant color scheme ensures that the vehicle stands out, reflecting the dynamic spirit of urban transportation. In essence, the 2026 Bajaj Recompact yellow and black three-wheeler encapsulates the perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. It's a testament to Bajaj's dedication to evolving with the times while staying true to the reliability and efficiency that drivers have come to trust. Elevate your urban transport experience with the new Bajaj Recompact, where tradition meets innovation.